Go from box to boost in minutes. With the VersaBoost Pro, there's no need to install separate components like tanks, pumps, sensors, and extra fittings. I'm Jeremiah Brody. Keep watching this video to learn more. Installing Little Giant's all-in-one constant pressure boosting solution, the VersaBoost Pro is simple. First, place the unit. Install the unit on the floor or mount it on a wall, using the accessory shelf. Thanks to the 180-degree rotatable top cover, it supports multiple orientations, including left to right in front, or right to left in rear plumbing. For multi-pump systems in parallel, units can be placed side by side. Rotate the top cover as needed to fit your space. Second, plumb the inlet and discharge. To avoid restricting performance, use 1-inch inlet and discharge piping. Follow local plumbing codes and the operations manual when installing check valves, pressure relief valves, and secondary expansion tanks, especially if the system includes a tank water heater or may exceed 80 psi. Next, prime the system. For non-pressurized water sources below the unit or suction lift setups, prime the system by removing the top port plug and filling the unit in inlet plumbing. Ensure a foot valve is installed at the end of the suction line. For pressurized supplies, the system self-primes. Simply open the top port until water flows, then close it securely. Refer to the owner's manual for recommended coupling placement and drainage locations to support maintenance and winterization. Finally, plug the unit to the power source. When powering up the system for the first time, you'll be guided through setup by using one of the three options: Quick Setup, Advanced Setup, or App Setup. In this video, we'll walk you through the Quick Setup. First, power on. The installation setup guide appears automatically. Second, select language. Use the arrow keys and press Enter. Next, acknowledge warning, confirming the proper installation of all plumbing. Press Enter to confirm. Choose Quick Setup. Next, set the water source. Select water utility for pressurized inputs larger than 20 psi. Select cistern above for flooded suction inputs 1 to 19 psi. Select cistern below for suction lift. Adjust the pressure tank as necessary. Confirm it's properly set and press Enter. Return to the home screen by pressing Enter, acknowledging that the system has been set up and is ready for use. Start boosting by pressing the Start/Stop button. To finish installation, open a faucet or shower to purge air from the plumbing and confirm proper operation. You can also adjust the pressure set point from 14 to 80 psi on the home screen using the arrows. When the number stops flashing, the unit sets to the new pressure automatically. We hope this helped. Find everything you need to know about VersaBoost Pro at littlegiant.com. For training resources, visit Franklin Tech. Until next time.